Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove yourself from Life360 Circle. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To remove yourself from Life360 Circle, tap open your Life360 app and make sure to log in first. Once you're logged in, tap on the settings button or the gear button located at the upper left-hand corner from the main home page. From the settings menu, click on Circle Management. Now, scroll a bit down and you'll be able to see Leave Circle button at the bottom of the screen. Give it a tap and click on Yes in order to ensure you'd like to leave this particular circle. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to remove yourself from a Life360 Circle. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.